Now that we have something that we'd like to organize, and we have taken inventory and written it all down, grouped upon some kind of category, we're now going to begin the normalization process. It's actually a 5-step process to normalize the data into a database. Each one of the steps in the normalization process is called the normal form. So the first normal form, this is going to eliminate column values that are repeating by making new records in the table and copying the common data fields. So what I want to do is I want to create each record in my table needs to be a standalone record, and that is first normal form. All right, first normal form. Each piece of information needs to be standalone, all by its own, on a record, all of its own. So let me go back to my table and see if we can put this in first normal form. So when I look at my table, I can see that I have 2 records that would be pork, with the exception that the one pork in the laundry, this is not a standalone record. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the repeating information. This is also pork. The expiration is also 4/22. I'm going to repeat Seiko, and I'm going to repeat the Walmart, the store that I bought it from. I'm going to repeat the store number, the zip code, and I'm going to repeat the price. So now both of those pork records are standalone and independent. I'm also going to complete this, or I'm going to fill out the rest of the records to put this table into first normal form. All right, so I've completely filled in all of the records. Each one of the individual records are now independent of one another. They are standalone. I have filled in all of the repeating information, and now I have a table that is in first normal form. So if you notice in the textbook on page 219, we see that they originally grouped all of the songs, they grouped them by artist name. And when they set the table into first normal form, you can see an example of that at the bottom of 219.